Do is a verb which expresses an action. It is used as the main verb of a sentence. Do is used with I, we, you, they, and when the noun is plural. Does is used with he, she, it, and when the noun is singular. Examples: you always do your best in everything. You do your tasks well. You do the dishes every night. You do the laundry very well. You do your homework pretty fast. You always do your hair nicely. I do the laundry every day. I do my homework every night. I do the dishes after eating. I do my tasks quickly. I always do my best. I do my hair before going to work. They do their hair first before wearing makeup. They do their best at work. They do the laundry as a family every weekend. They do the dishes together. They do their tasks well. They do their homework first before going to sleep. We always do our best. We do our hair in front of the mirror. We do our homework every night. We do the dishes right after every meal. We do the laundry first, then eat lunch. We always do our tasks efficiently. Do is used to give emphasis. It is followed by the main verb in the sentence. In this case, do is followed by a verb in its base form. Examples: I do clean my room every weekend. I do study very hard for my exams. I do work hard for my family. I do save a lot for the future. I do treat my friends nicely. I always do say I love you to my parents. I do feed my dog regularly. I do miss him a lot. I do wash my car by myself during weekends. I do drink 2 cups of coffee a day. She does clean the room every weekend. He does say thank you a lot. It does crawl on the ground like a snake. She does sing in the bathroom every morning. He does wash his car in front of the house. He does fetch water from the well early in the morning every day. It does bark loudly every night. She does drink 5 cups of coffee a day. He does make very delicious lasagna. She does work hard for her future. The dog does bark a lot at night. Maria does wash her hair only every night. She does sing love songs at weddings. Will does her laundry by hand. The boy next door does walk to school every day. Mrs. Park does watch TV late every night because she can't sleep. Kring does brush her teeth after every meal, so she has a nice set of teeth. Mr. and Mrs. Smith do travel around the world to relax. The dogs do make noises when someone passes by. The singers do have beautiful voices. The students in Mrs. Park's class do actively participate in school activities. My siblings and I do dream of having a grand vacation someday, so we are working hard. The birds do chirp harmoniously. Drivers in our town do drive slowly and carefully. They do love to listen to music at their backyard. The kids do practice hard for their dance number. Do is also used in making questions. In this case, do functions as a helping verb, so it must be followed by the main verb. Examples: does she cry when her mother goes to work? Does he think we are going downtown? Does she study her lessons every day? Does he ride his bike? Does she use her cellular phone a lot at night? Does he watch TV at 6 p.m.? Does she cook pasta during special occasions? Do you wash the dishes at home? Do they go on a cruise every year? Do we have to do that? Do you think of him every day? Do they change their car every 3 years?